In previous video related to the background job and sending email, I shown how to create a background job and send email. At that time I have mentioned only single email ID and I will trigger the mail. So in this section we'll see about how to create a job, background job, and send email to multiple recipients. Like in real time you might require one background job will send to some person as 2 and remaining as CC or BCC. In that case the steps will be same, one with an additional steps as creation of a distribution list. First we have to create a distribution list with the code SO23, and then instead of adding the email ID in the pull request, here we can add the distribution list. So now in this section we'll see how to do that. So I will again repeat the steps, like first creating a variant for T code VA05. Take example, same report VA05, VA05N actually, VA05N. I want to trigger background job for this report. So I already have one variant, that is all underscore days. So same variant I am going to use, and as we required the program name for creation of the background job. So this will be the program name for creating a background job. So we'll see how to create a distribution list with SO23. So either we can enter the code SO23, or we can simply click here, that is SAP Business Workplace. Click on this or enter the code SO23. Here you can see an option as distribution list. Click on this. Here you can see a create icon. Give the name for the distribution list. Let's say background job multiple email, that is background job multiple email. Here either you can select the existing folder or we can create a new folder. So this first time, so I will create a new folder. We can create a folder either private or shared. If you create the shared, so other than our user ID, other user can also use this distribution list. So here I will be creating as a private, and I'm giving that name as same, that is BJ background job multiple email. Background job, and let's say here multiple email IDs, and click on create folder. Press enter. The folder has been created in the private folder. Press enter. So this distribution list will be created in this folder. Now click on this distribution list content. Now here one by one we have to enter all the email IDs to whom we want to trigger the email, and here you can see the option as express, that is 2, and send as copy, that is CC, and send as blind copy, that is BCC. So let's here background job 21 at xyz.com. I want to send this as 2. If you press enter, by default here internet address will come based on the content we enter. Second, I will add 2 ID in each content, that is 2 CC and BCC. Second, I am adding as a BJ underscore TO2, that is the second email ID, that will be 2. Then I will be adding as CC, that is the CC1 at xyz.com, and I am marking here as CC. We can see as copy. Press enter. Again enter next, that is CC2. And last one I am adding one single as a BCC email ID. So we can see all 2 CC and BCC and BCC1. And let's check here. Okay, so we create 5 email IDs. We mention 5 email IDs in this distribution list. 2 as 2 for CC and 1 for BCC. Click on save. So you can see the distribution list was created and our name is bj_m email, that is multiple email. Go back. Now the remaining steps are same as per the first video. Now let's create a background job. Go to SM36. Here give the job name. I'm mentioning as sales_report_, let's say multiple email ID. Press enter. Give the program name. This is the program name, and variant I want to select as all days. This program name is of VA05N. Check and save. Go back. Here in the spool recipient list, last time we maintained the email ID, but this time maintain the distribution list, that is bj_multiple email. You will private distribution. Click on copy. Start. I want to trigger this immediately. So what is meaning of date and how to schedule background job for the periodic, that I shown in the last video. So I will click immediate, check and save, and I will click save here. Save with release status. Now how to monitor the background job? For that first we have to go to SM37. So go to T code SM37, enter the job name here, executes. So you can see it is triggered and it is finished. Okay, the job is finished. This is the sales order list which is triggered as attachment. Now to monitor the email IDs, go to T code SOST. So here you can see the recently triggered email are bj_22122cc. For every email ID we can see one record in this SOST transaction code. To see the content, click any one email. So I'm selecting here, I click on display. So here in the recipient list you can see all the email IDs. See here, that is a blind copy. Let's say this is a express, means 2, this is also 2, CC, copy, and the first one is a business blind copy. So like this, and we can also see the attachment here. In the body we will be having the attachment. Okay, so in this way we can trigger the background job email on the multiple email ID by creating a simple distribution list either with SO23 or with SAP Business Workplace.